Hello, hello, and welcome to another update video on SUI. I'm here on the SUI daily time frame, and just want to remind you that SUI so far has, while it has obviously changed with regards to the microstructures, it hasn't broken anything significantly, at least on the Coinbase chart. I mentioned it yesterday, and I know there's a lot of uncertainty around this. On Binance, it broke down to 55 cents, and that's obviously completely insane, ridiculous. I don't know if it was a glitch or just the order book. I think it just didn't function. So from that's also why stop losses weren't triggered and everything. So again, if something like that happens, we have to maybe temporarily at least track this properly here with regards to the different low points on different exchanges. But I go with Coinbase because that's been my chart so far here that we discussed also yesterday. Yeah, but obviously I think before I tracked Binance, but I changed it because it just doesn't make any sense. Yeah, tracking this doesn't make any sense. There's also no microstructure visible. So, but we still should consider it. But again, even if the price really dropped to 55, it already recovered, like, what was it, 300% or something? Yeah. So I don't know how realistic that is in an hour. I don't know. So from that point of view, the sentiment itself has received a hit, but I still treat it as if the April low never broke, and on Coinbase it didn't break. So the overall idea that this year was a fourth wave low in April and we could be in a fifth wave to the upside, that's still unchanged and can still take us to round about $10. Condition is, of course, that the April low holds. So let's take a look at the short-term chart for SUI. This is really just a short-term chart, and I show you here very, very tentative. Yeah, treat this as tentative. Yeah, the structure, a very 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 early structure, I would say, from the lows. I mean, I can treat this as an A, B, C structure. What happens after the C wave, we don't know yet. I just want to show that even in a corrective structure, as long as support holds, the market might grind a little higher. The condition is that we're holding the $2.22 level. We already reacted to the 61.8 fib level here on the micro chart on the smaller time frame. So if the market can give us 5 waves up and a break above this green line, it should be green, at 350, we're likely, we've likely bottomed. So 5 waves up above that level. Then obviously the levels around $4.40 and everything, these previous swing highs that we discussed in previous videos will be relevant here. These two swing highs from May and July. For now, I think we're just watching if the bulls can generate some sort of upside reversal here. Bitcoin dominance is already dropping. Yeah. Bitcoin dominance did what it needed to do in October. Talked about it. We were tracking it from an Elliott wave point of view, and also that's what typically happens in October. Now, normally, Bitcoin dominance finishes strong in October. It normally finishes strong in October, but what if? What if the entire move, that was meant to happen in October for Bitcoin dominance finished on Friday and within an hour? Yeah. So I'm just, I'm just saying, check out my Bitcoin dominance video from yesterday, by the way. It explains it all. But here at the moment, I'm tracking now if the price can get, first of all, to round about 350, and then if we can get another higher low from there and another higher high, that would be a proper 5-wave move. The only thing is, because it's uncertain where really the low was, honestly, Fibonacci targets, they don't really make much sense here. So I would expect distortions. Yeah. Normally I say this third wave should get to the 138% extension, but I don't know if that low was actually a little high. I mean, again, just be flexible at the moment, right? We have to be a bit flexible. The chart just doesn't give the answer. Important is resistances around 350 and then $4, and then we can take it from there. I'll keep you updated about this. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, please check out our membership. And also, if you want to join our community live session today, feel free to join us. The recording will be available as well. We're going to go through the jungle, crypto jungle, and probably update like 40 charts or so. You can join, you can check out the trailer here on our channel that explains the membership. There are member-only videos, live chart access for gold members, live stream access, and much more. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.